Showing local expertise once is helpful. Showing up consistently is what helps people remember you. Each week, spend a little time in your chosen area, check new sales, review updated trends, then share something helpful with your sphere, a local stat, a quick market update, a short message to homeowners. Over time, familiarity breeds trust, and trust builds business. An easy way to create this constant communication is to utilize RPR's Market Trends AI scriptwriter. Go to Research, Residential Market Trends, enter in your area, and search. Select Create Script. Now you have multiple options of how you can communicate with your prospects. Select your tone and audience. Now choose your format for the week. Do you want an article for your monthly newsletter or blog? Social media graphics and stories with key market trends? A PowerPoint presentation, or even a short video with your local market highlights? Start small, stay consistent, let the data guide you. That's how new agents become market experts. That wraps up our beginners prospecting series. You've learned how to choose a farm area, calculate turnover to find opportunity, and use RPR reports and insights to become the local market expert. From here, explore our other tutorials to learn how to build CMAs, analyze market trends, and even create more client-ready reports that help grow your business.